Hello everybody, welcome to the American Corner in Dushanbe in Tajikistan in Central Asia. Today is one day before Eid-ul-Fitr. It's the last day of Ramadan and everybody in Dushanbe is busy. People are going to stores, they are buying food and groceries, they are buying candy and sweets, because tomorrow morning lots of children will come to my apartment and everybody's house and they will knock on the door and they will want candy. I'm going to give them candy and chewing gum and sweets. Lots of people will be wearing new clothes. I have my hat. It's not a new hat, but I will buy a new hat for Eid-ul-Fitr. We would like to know how you celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr in your country. Do people buy new clothes? Do they make special food? Are there any other special activities? Do people go outside and celebrate? If you could make a video or two and tell us about Eid-ul-Fitr or show us Eid-ul-Fitr in your country, we would really like that. And we will do the same for you. Thank you.